Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install Microsoft Word for free. So firstly open any web browser. Now here guys type office.com. Just you need to type office.com. Now here in this left side you will see Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Team and OneNote. So select Microsoft Word here. Now here guys you can use any template. Just click on new blank document. Now here guys you can use this Microsoft Word. You can work as your choice and as your need. Here you can customize your document, and once you complete, click on file and click on save. So save as and select your drive. So here guys we can see we have this Microsoft Word document. You can customize, you can use these all features freely. There are some more options. And there are some more features. So once you complete, click on here, these dots, and once you complete, click on file and save as. You can download a copy and save in your computer or PC. You can download as PDF, download as ODT. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.